ne ka say ne mampanya ho Brazil nim say nipa dodo na ebeto omodwuma so a would have always been nice as say local governance ebe much effective ebra nanke ye mo so mo to omodwuma so kama ampa mampanya de osia even though we still believe that as a man no yen hwe na yen tutu ni o mayi say either say ebesa ko revisit say is a see to sankofo no so aba anase say anase is a see a hwese sa cha a chair under Akufo-Addo now his excellency na memum no 9 months is unnecessarily too much of a time say ebinya den ACB and these are the two things but media me no pay credit one the so called party foot soldiers and party supporters so called baby ene kemma min kabini amanyo ku semadu ni o man kan koni mpuntu adu no utimi nya adajeje bre eko shishe tie eko lock say we are the messiah of MPP and I say we are no big of MPP I don't get it because why are you biano why we pray biano we no e wa ope any no man ensem fata wa yenti do akulu if you disagree to these appointments na man pay India bana you have an option so assembly ni share so mo to atum say ye pe kwabna santia na pe kwabna santia go and lobby for yes or no and you honor abitima go but and nepa kemamin kabia man yourself a party like MPP yeah that's what echitai for omobo nyu asem so a omutimi ko saying konwa say
party office party chairman o she Facebook kwasi when you check on no
and now uno udo MPP chair edubu ahene darocha wana udo MPP chair edubu ahene darocha nana the interest levels of us as individuals no are overriding that of Ghana and political parties obi o kem bia no dey ti no kem so do MPP ti no kem na say so do ne man say be 2 point no kem o kem because ne yonko ne mpena ne ofa na chiriba ne nua bi ne sewa bi antima nya akwanya ono so ama hweso ne kura e mawo abasobode se be sumo man na ye bo hire etu hire gu so ehwe doma nipa no mo tu hire gu so
emra video bisa na me
sha obeye
convoy je say wa ye rooftop
ni majuma obeye
na ye tu ni hire
no uni majuma obeye aduma da ho no ye hire
street ni na block ye budget so
and those things should stop
this you
and I'm saying those things should stop aduma da ho say ye no enye bi ni si apaw mansin krachia ye tu power da eguso wona wan na kwa kansi be ye aduma na waduma na ankasa ntimi na edi so it's a mild warning to all MMDCs nyeshirebo any powder bobrini
street carnival and
to the party supporters you might vehemently disagree but you cannot take to the streets because sebe ekwana wono okoshi tile ekwana okoshi tile enye ka no ekwana okoshi tile so no sa kwan nye onko na ofa kwan enye MPP for kwan so these inconveniences that arise as a result of obi feel say
I wish you were watching this video
let me what is the intent wabaso no rock bushini so that's the challenge
that's
the challenge that's the challenge woman see crash in the woman ejuma da ho that's the first appeal to party supporters no sabi and I'm on 20 bi one man very unnecessary we should think Ghana, think of your political party, think of how you can develop Ghana and think of the way forward. The only option for all those who disagree is to go and do their lobbying. The more you lobby and delay the process, the more punto also a check also portable. So what is already man paying Nankasar watch it. Mo party can defend watch it. It was a man kocha. Who chrono punto ebebaso no ebekachi let the problem abroad. And number 2, let me appeal to any man no so more KJT ane East area or I can't say Kwabenya runabout, you know, no store, no vote, no this, no vote.
What was no store, no vote?
No.
It's no store, no vote.
Intimate situation, nim and can the current fair and no Nadia Bedu Sabia.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pempuntu. Adia so be Puntu abaya brabo munusu a problem for us.
Yeah.
And until we should start taking the assemblies on. So assemblies no omo ye hwe han ema ye bossisi wie ema omba gije 12 year wie. Now after 10, 15 years or 6 years, omo ba so omba dwiri agua. A whole problem.
So I love Charger, the current Greater Accra Regional Minister.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
MMDC
that's what I'm saying that and na kwa we DC ya.
Yeah.
Your responsibility and now metropolitan and metropolitan responsibility ebe da so no. Enya fanfare bi mo.
Yeah.
And let's stop that mentality of put you up human face. You put you up human face from 1992. The Ghanaian could not change, but the Ghanaian is looking for a change. Why wouldn't we do what to bring us that change we're all looking out for? So yes, sir. Ya mama num, ya papa num, ya kuninum, ya ofase num. That ehunahuna na mode ehunahuna. Wona ya manyo sem no. Abroso. Why who say run about he any kwan say the kiosk and I say o set up store e wo ho no. Wan kasa wa kwesa ade na wo no. E din susan so enye papa e de bre. Ya bosses so ma kronfo bebre. She says get to. It mesre. If we want a real change in our lives and in the country, these are some of the inconveniences you be creating before we arrive at those promised lands now.
Yeah.
Your dream of.
Yeah.
Ghana should work and must work at all times, not at some times.